After learning how to create inventory control setup, we will now learn how to create a new item. To create a new item, we search for item definition. We open the item definition screen. We can see all the items we already created. To create a new item, click on New and fill the blanks. We will start entering each field. The ID will be filled automatically. We start with the cereal, which is the list of families already created. Let's go down to the families list to choose the food. The system will give a message to set the default values for the selected family. When we choose the family, the sales and purchase accounts will be filled automatically with the possibility to modify them. The VAT percentage is also filled directly. We enter the full name of the item, for example here, food. We can enter the second name, which could be the Arabic name or another name as needed. The first name is mandatory while the second name is optional. We fill the creation date. VAT percentage if the item is subject to VAT or not. In case this item is a service item, for example delivery service or another service item, we check the service checkbox. In this case, we can invoice this item in negative quantity and the item will not be shown in inventory report. If we click on Modify Name in Invoice, we can change the name of the item directly from the invoice. This will help us if we want, for example, to change the item name in the invoice or we want to add additional description to it. If we click on Stop checkbox, the item will be hidden in the invoice and the report. If we click on Semi-Active, it shows the catalog items used technically in orders. If we click on Active, it shows the active items which are currently used. We now move to the item photo. If I click on the photo icon, I can click on Camera and take a direct photo, or I can attach the photo of the item from the PC to save it with the item. For each item, we can define the minimum quantity and the maximum quantity by which the system will give a report to notify of the shortage of the item's quantity and the maximum quantity that should be in stock. After finishing this part, we will go down to fill the sales account and the purchase account. Here you can notice that it is already filled since it was inserted directly from the default family. This way each item will be updated into its account in the accounting transaction voucher. Now we go down to the units. We have here the ability to define multi-units for each item. Let's take for example this item. It can be purchased in boxes of 12 pieces each and sold per piece. We can enter the unit as PC, we enter the symbol, the barcode and the basic unit with its formula. We can define the earning percent, its discount percentage, its weight and the volume. We define its state, which might be for sale, not for sale, for online sale, etc. After that, we will define the box unit. Let's say box of 20 for example. We enter its symbol, barcode, units which is other unit, and the formula which is 20 in our case. We can open more than one unit in the table, which will give us the ability to purchase and sell items in different units. We can open other units like box of 24 and we enter all the necessary information. If we go down to item information, we can specify the custom percentage for each item, the item warehouse. We can link it to the default warehouse with the possibility to modify it in invoice. We can write a note, specify the supplier from where we are purchasing the item, knowing that the system will add the supplier to this list after purchasing this item. So you don't have to fill it here. We can edit it or let it be filled automatically when purchasing items. After filling all this information, we go up to the menu and click Save. After saving the item, the system will give an option to define the price list of the item. The system will open a new window to enter the prices of the items for each unit and for the predefined price lists. The currency of the price list is the same currency of the item that was defined in the sales account. Here we click on Edit and we fill all the prices in the grid. We still have one more option, which is Copy Item. In Copy Item, all the information will be filled automatically and we can edit these information. Just note that when we copy item, the system will automatically create it as semi-active item, so we should change it to active in order to use it. By this way, we have created 2 similar items in a fast way, and we can also use it to create more items. Thank you.